Our first investment was an absolute show. From the beginning, when we bought the property, we found out it had termites in it. Then we obviously had to spend more money than just the down payment of 20 or 25%. And then after we spent more money, we found more problems, like the bathrooms needed to be vented out, so we had to do all new fans. The city came down and turned off the gas to the building because they said the chimneys weren't safe, so we had to spend another $14,000 to flute those chimneys. We had a person on drugs living in there that we couldn't get out. We had a person not pay us for 15 months while living and destroying the house. So it was kind of a shit show.